Hello guys, today I'm gonna talk about yellow blocks. First of all, fear versus disruption. The illustrating bridge for trust, industrialization, mass adoption, and it is by Comtoland Productions, and it is available at Google Play Movies and TV Plus of Apple, and the YouTube. Featured by the docu series, and there are some members of this docu series project and you can just check it out, and it's very huge team. And about the docu-series, bring the vision and the disruption of the thousands of decentralized repositories to the big screen, going through banking identity and assets to share how blockchains industrial trust versus the incumbents that are still trust artisans and will be disrupted. The first season include 10 initial chapters episodes with each focused on the different particular blockchain use case. It features some of the most famous faces within the space, including Adam Black, Vinnie Limburg, Alexis Yellow, and Alejandro Ricojo, among many others. And there are some episodes, and fortunately, the first episode of the blockchain is already released over there. And the upcoming projects is about money, products, community, banking, companies, governance, treasury, services, decomposition, and and here is the roadmap of CBK token, and the producer Comptoland Products. Comptoland Products is a leading independent integrated film production company based in Andorra. We offer a wide range of services including the film production public and provide private consolation, design, digital advertising, marketing, audiovisual planning and strategy. The company works for the diverse range of private, public and third sector clients and has specialist team for it. Built on an ingredient model from the start, clients can choose standalone services or integrated programs for our products experts. And that's the back team of this project, which includes Binance tax tools. They are very good projects, or including travel as well. They are very huge team, and and luckily this token is already listed on PancakeSwap, and and if we go through this link, we could see the price is about. Let me see what's the actual price of this particular coin. If I could go through it, let me check, guys. Okay, so if we import this over there, okay, so the price of this is mhm. So the price of this token is currently 0.11 USDT, and I would say it's already in dip, and whenever it's getting quite popular because of its episodes about a blockchain, we would see a good pump in their token. And if we go through the tokenomics, we would see and able to see that the contract smart contract CKB token, the process of tokenizing a film's frame and further managing it on a DApp would open up new opportunity. At the same time, it faces subsequent challenges to its adoption. The new tokenization method allows the producer to open up innovative methods and provide widespread adoption of investments in the entertainment industry. The project displays and initiates the distribution of the new digital crypto token called CBK, which can be used by holders to enhance their DocuSiri experience by integrating the Yellow D app. So it's in ERC20, it's in Polygon, and it's a BP20 token. And there are some bridges of this, and not only Pancake, it is already listed on Apps app as well, and you can go through its price by looking at the CoinGecko and the coin market cap. So after that, we would go through the episodes and the YouTubers views about this token. And yeah, thanks guys. This is the end of this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe.